Hello, thanks for coming. As I've been doing some stuff on some Vic-20s recently, why not just one more? What I have here in the box, I gotta be careful, it's heavy, heavy. Oh. It is a box. I will be careful to set it on here gently. An original Vic-20 box from way back when. It's seen better days, this box. Like, here's some of the box. What do we have here? We have notes. Games for the Vic-20 on cassette. I don't see any cassettes here. Anyway, what do we have? Oh, well, we have some Gorf. We have some Speed. Bingo. Math. Good. This is actually an RF modulator made by Commodore. Because the Vic-20 did not have it inside. What do we have here? Superlander Cosmic Jailbreak. But what I'm really trying to get at is the Vic-20 inside the box. The box fell. Oh no. Power switch feels a little weird. Oh, I know what I can do. I can check. Does the box, even though it's in tragic shape, does the serial number match? Not at all. Not at all. So, just before I put this down, it's heavy. Oh, there's another cartridge. Garden Wars. Oh. There's a joystick. Oh, a Commodore joystick. What is this one? It's not a Commodore joystick. Spectravision, I think. There's a power supply. That is not for this Vic-20, but it's very clean, it's very mean. But this power supply is for an original Vic. So wait, what do we have here? Oh, another power supply. This one would work. No wonder the box is heavy. Power supplies are heavy. I think I have screwed up the packaging here. I think. And so, okay. So I will take this old box and secure it somewhat and set it down. Oh. So here we have a very old Vic-20. It's still doing its thing. I'm going to turn it off and turn it back on to see how it looks. After it's had a little time to burn in, it looks just dandy. Alright, this will be a bit of an exercise. I don't want to lose track of this one. Oh, yeah, just pile them up. Just pile them up. So this one, what is that? It's got some kind of schmutz on there. Oh well, they all need a little cleaning. This one, once again, I have no idea. This, I'm also not going to lose track of. This is the crazy one. It's crazy. But what I do need to do is get it out of the way and excuse me for a moment. I need to unplug the original power supply and plug in the later power supply to test this machine. By the way, I wasn't so religious about this in the past, but I really do my best to never leave a power supply plugged in overnight if the machine is not being tested, because that not necessarily good. So here we have another Vic-20. It has the rainbow thing. It also, I still don't know what this smutsy stuff on here is, but it doesn't look so bad. So we will apply power. We will see what happens. Well, it's fighting. I wonder if the power switch feels a little funny. Maybe if I tweak it a bit. Oh, look at that. Okay. It's alive, but it's of course in ever popular black and white. Now, are the screws in this one? They do seem to be. Well, we've had success recently with these machines, with getting the color back. There are adjustments within the underneath the RF shield that often bring things back to life. Let's see, take out the screws. Oh, there they are. I will put them with all the other big screws in an RF shield and open her up. Aha! Very clean. Very clean looking indeed. This is indeed, hello Penny, a smaller board. Ah, look at that. Different cover. Alright, just a moment. Well, I get it plugged back in. And see if the usual tweaking works. Alright. So I'll just tip that up for a moment. Turn it on. And now grab a screwdriver. And with great care I will turn this thing, I think. Although it does seem to be out. Haha, look at that. There are less things in this version of the Vic-20 in terms of potentiometers and other things. So, yay, we got color. Let's try a cartridge. Alright. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Excellent. It's going well. I will tweak the cartridge ever so slightly. Nothing. I will tweak the cartridge ever so slightly. Oh yeah. Now we got some action. Garden Wars. Oh yeah, I remember this. I think this is the demo. If I hit F1, I can play, and I really don't remember how I'm moving. I think I died. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to run over. Well, I guess not that. am not making much progress in that, except I am making progress in the fact that I have color. So we will document. I will put in that I tweaked color hot. Seems quite okay. And I suppose, because I can, and I guess it's a good idea, I will put this cover back over the big chip and its parts. And maybe this is different. Oh. Maybe I'll screw it back together. I hear Penny. Hi, Penny. Are you coming up? Sorry, that one went in, but it didn't feel right. I'm running a lot of places to put things. I am. Well, as I still have this crazy, at least I think it's still the crazy Vic-20 here, might as well plug it in, see what happens. Oh yeah, it's crazy. There is, I don't remember the episode number, but I did put up a video of the screen, like a close-up shot of the screen of this machine that goes crazy. If I press F1, sometimes it does quite well, but eventually it gets smoked. But anyway, people have suggested it's a 6522 chip that has gone astray. I am not at all under any illusion that this is not the case. It's like Hyper-Vic. Oh well, I'll just leave that to, I'm still trying to, they say, burn it in a bit. So in today's videos, we have an old Vic-20 that seems to work just fine, but needs to be tidied up. And we have a newer one that also seems to be quite fine. There are power supplies and cartridges to test, but I'll do that later. Anyway, thanks for coming. Always a pleasure. And oh, the other difference, sorry, of these two Vics is the second Vic definitely had the smaller circuit board with less chips. Cheaper to produce. I think mostly, it's not here, so I should close it. Mostly it's got less RAM chips, to be sure. And I'm sure there's other differences in the cover over the Vic chip is smaller. Alright, I'll leave this to Tinker. Penny, are you coming? She's not coming. So, that's it for now. Come again. Questions or comments are always welcome.